Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by preparing assets so the split screen looks intentional. Open Inshot and create a new video project. Set the aspect ratio you need, 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9, because it determines framing. Import the clips you'll combine, then trim each so their action lines up. Make small 0. 5-second buffers to avoid abrupt cuts. Once done, arrange clips in the timeline order you want, and make sure playback settings match the clip's frame rate for consistent. Now you'll build the split view by adding clips as layers. Tap PIP to import the second clip as an overlay, then pinch to resize and drag it into place. Use the grid and snap guidance to align edges perfectly. If you need multiple panels, repeat PIP for more clips and distribute them evenly. Use the mask feature to crop areas and the split tool to cut timing so each panel reveals the right moment. Make sure audio tracks are separated if you plan to mix sounds. Finish by polishing visuals and audio so your split screen reads clearly. Lower or mute duplicate audio tracks, then add fades to avoid abrupt overlaps. Zoom in on each panel and tweak position or scale so faces and action aren't cropped. Add borders or spacing for separation. Export using the project's original resolution and a suitable bitrate to preserve sharpness. If playback shows sync or cropping problems, make sure the aspect ratio matches and resync the trimmed clips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.